adventure lovers, welcome back to Mango Reader. Today we are going on a super fast, super fun adventure with Ty's Travels Zip Zoom by Callie Starling Lyons. Ty is about to zip through an exciting day full of speed, fun and a little bit of magic. Are you ready to zoom along with him? Have you ever wanted to go super fast, like zip around on a scooter, bike or even on a zip line? Well, today Ty is going to experience something that will make him go zooming through his day in the coolest way. Let's find out what happens. Before we get started, make sure to like this video if you love fun, fast adventures and subscribe so you don't miss out on Ty's other exciting travels. Alright, let's jump right into this speedy adventure with Ty. Grab your helmets, let's zip and zoom! I am Ty. I have a new scooter. I can't wait to ride it. We go to the park. Daddy and Corey bike. Mama takes me to scoot. I put on my knee pads. Kids zoom by like race cars. Vroom, vroom, vroom. I want to zoom too. I see the flag waving. I step on my scooter. I take off. I see crowds watching. Vroom. Wobble, wobble. I do not zip. I do not zoom. Keep going, Ty, Mama says. I think about stopping, but I do not give up. I see the flag waving. I step on with one foot. I kick off with the other. Cars roll by me. I focus on the track. Vroom! Wobble, wobble. I do not zip. I do not zoom. Almost, Mama says. I do not give up. Daddy and Corey ride over. You've got this, Corey says. You can do it, Daddy says. Mama gives me a thumbs up. I see the flag waving. I step on with one foot. I push off with the other. My family cheers. My heart pounds. I press on the gas. Vroom, vroom, boom, boom. Are you okay? Mama asks. I sniff and wipe my eyes. I am on the ground. That's it. I give. Want some help? A girl stops her scooter. She smiles. Watch me, she says. The girl steps on her scooter with one foot. She pushes off with the other. Hold on, she says. I see the flag waving. Look at her go. The girl zooms back to me. The girl zooms back to me. My name is Ari, she says. I'm Ty, I say. Ready to try? Ari asks. We step on with one foot. We push off with the other. We hold on. I see the flag waving. Ari zips, I zoom. We are racing side by side. Cameras flash, crowds clap. I didn't give up. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Finish! What an awesome, fast-paced adventure. Ty really knows how to enjoy the thrill of zipping and zooming through his day. I bet you were holding on tight as we raced through all that fun. What about you? If you could zoom through the day like Ty, where would you go? Maybe a racetrack or zooming through a fun obstacle course? Let me know in the comments. I can't wait to hear zooming ideas. And guess what? Ty has even more exciting journeys to take us on. What do you think he'll do next? You'll have to stick around to find out in the next Ty's travel adventure. If you loved racing along with Ty, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you can join in all this speedy fun next time. Until next time, keep zipping, keep zooming and keep having fun. Bye for now.